Good morning, dear students. Today we shall start the last poem which is left of your syllabus, A Roadside Stand. It is a beautiful poem by Robert Frost, who was born in 1874 and died in 1963. Is a highly acclaimed American poet of 20th century. Robert Frost wrote about characters, people and landscapes. His poems are concerned with human tragedies and fears, and his reactions to the complexities of life and his ultimate acceptance of his burdens. Stopping by the woods on a snowy evening, birches mending walls are a few of his well known poems. In this poem, A Roadside Stand, Frost presents the lives of poor, deprived people with a pitiless clarity and with the deepest sympathy and humanity. See, children, Robert Frost is also called mystic poet. He is the person who expresses his view in a very mystical way. If you remember a poem you have done in class ninth, it is The Road Not Taken. That is a simple poem, talks about two roads and the confusion or dilemma of a person in selecting the road. But it gives a very deep message of the confusions which we face in our lives. Same way, the poem that has been spoken here, Stopping by the Woods on a Snowy Evening, it also talks about human tendency to rest and gives a message that we must not leave the efforts. Efforts only take us to to our destination. So in case we get attempted and attracted by the materialistic vision of life, we cannot achieve anything. It means we should not be tempted by the rest, pleasures, or enjoyments. We should keep on working hard. So, such kind of the messages they are often given by the poems of Robert Frost. Here also we are going to do a poem which expresses the pain of poor people or the people who want to earn some money and they do efforts for it, but they do not get successful because of people's mentality. So here we start with, have you ever stopped at a roadside stand? Now, first of all, you need to understand what is a roadside stand. Children, roadside stand, you can call it, the shanty shops which are there nearby roads, the temporarily made shops in the hutments or on which are made on some kind of temporary arrangement. So this is also a shop, a shanty shop, which is put up by some farmer who wants to earn money, who wants to multiply his income by doing some kind of business, but he is ultimately disappointed because people they do not pay any heed towards him. I mean, they do not buy the things from him. There is no sale, and the whole day he keeps on waiting for the customers, and the disappointments and the hope, both of the things they have been expressed here in contrast. राइट एक किसान है जिसने एक बनाया है रोड साइड स्टैंड और उसकी उम्मीद है कि ही इज़ गोइंग टू अर्न सम मनी, और वो उसके लिए पूरा दिन इंतज़ार करता है, लेकिन उसको वो मिल नहीं पाता है, वो कमा नहीं पाता है क्योंकि लोगों का एटीट्यूड ऐसा है. The little old house was out. Children, we will take 3 days in finishing this poem. Today we shall do one part, then tomorrow again we shall do the another part, and third day we shall do the conclusion of the poem. So today we are starting with the poem. Tomorrow I shall send you a few questions related to it. The little old house was out with a little new shed in front at the edge of the road where the traffic sped. A roadside stand that too pathetically pled it would not be fair to say for a dole of bread. I explain here the meaning. The little old house. Obviously, a little house is not owned by a rich person. Of course, it is a person who has, that small income. So here, the little old house was out. What was out? It means the house was expanded. You must have seen, no, the people in front of the shops, they do encroachments, बढ़ा लेते हैं आगे. ऐसे ही उस घर को थोड़ा सा बढ़ा लिया था उस फार्मर ने एक नया शेड लगा करके. In front at the edge of the road, बिल्कुल सड़क के किनारे, where the traffic sped. Sped speeds, second form, third form it is sped. So traffic, it was very fast there, speedily it was passing from there. Though in the hope of earning some money, the farmer had put up a stand, a roadside stand. A roadside stand that too pathetically. Now what do you mean by pathetically played? I mean, it was, you will see pitiable condition was there of the roadside stand, must not be painted well, it was not looking very nice, very impoverished kind of looks it had na, बड़ा गरीब सा दिख रहा था वो दुकान. It was not that gaudy kind of decoration नहीं था उसका. इट वुड नॉट बी फेयर टू से, बड़ी ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा था कि प्लीज़ आओ और मुझसे कुछ खरीदो. प्लेड मीन्स इट वॉज प्लीडिंग, रिक्वेस्टिंग, इतना पैथेटिक स्टैंड. इट वुड नॉट बी फेयर, पर ये ठीक नहीं होगा इफ आई से फॉर अ डोल ऑफ ब्रेड. इट वॉज नॉट बेगिंग फॉर फूड. द फार्मर हैड इनफ टू ईट एट होम. इट वॉज जस्ट टू एड ऑन द लग्जरी, इजंट इट, फॉर एन एक्स्ट्रा इनकम, है ना. जैसे जैसे आपके घर में इनकम सोर्स मेन एक होता है, और आपके समटाइम्स योर मॉम और योर डैड और समबडी एल्स एट होम डज अनदर साइड पार्ट टाइम जॉब, है ना, तो वो साइड इनकम होती है घर की. तो ऐसे उस साइड इनकम के लिए उसने अपना स्टैंडर्ड लाइफ का रेज करने के लिए जो है वो रोड साइड स्टैंड बनाया था. बट फॉर सम मनी द कैश, why it was done, to earn some money whose flow supports the flower of cities from sinking and withering faint. See, the money that supports city life. In city, agriculture is not done. The village activities are not done. It's only the flow of cash, flow of money, which makes it green, beautiful, lively. The polished traffic. Now children, what do you mean by polished traffic? Polished traffic stands for the rich people who travel by these cars with a mind ahead, or if ever aside a moment, then out of sorts at having the landscape marred with the artless paint. See, the people traveling in those polished cars, in those rich cars, would never look at this roadside stand. एंड इवन इफ दे वुड लुक, एक तो वो रोड साइड स्टैंड की तरफ देखते नहीं थे, और अगर देखते भी थे तो उनको गुस्सा आता था कि वाई द ब्यूटी ऑफ लैंडस्केप हैज़ बीन डिस्ट्रॉयड, स्पॉइल्ड बाय दिस आर्टलेस पेंट ऑफ साइंस दैट विद एन टर्न रॉन्ग एन एस टर्न रॉन्ग. एन और एस ऐसे लेटर्स होते हैं बेटे कि इनका उल्टा अक्सर लिखा जाता है बोर्ड्स के ऊपर. ऑफर्ड फॉर सेल वाइल्ड बेरीज इन वुडन क्वाड्स और क्रूक नेकेड गोल्डन स्क्वैश विद सिल्वर वॉट्स. What it was selling there, क्या क्या वो बेच रहा था वहाँ पर? वाइल्ड बेरीज वुडन बक्सों में, क्रूक नेक्ड गोल्डन स्क्वैश and with silver warts, or beauty rest in beautiful mountain scene. You have the money but if you want to be mean. Says कि कितना मज़ा आए कि आप इन चीज़ों को खरीदें और वहाँ ब्यूटीफुल माउंटेन सीन में इंजॉय करें, पर आपके पास पैसा और आप खर्च नहीं करना चाहते. वाई कीप योर मनी दिस क्रॉसली एंड गो अलॉन्ग, द हर्ट ऑफ द सीनरी वुड नॉट बी माई कंप्लेंट. सेज कि ठीक है, अपने पैसे लो और जाओ, यू हैव नो राइट टू कंप्लेन रिगार्डिंग दिस hurt of the scenery. Right? So children, we have finished one paragraph here. We shall do another paragraph tomorrow, followed by a few questions. Thank you very much.